Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to find and unlock boards that may be hidden or locked in Subway Surfers. So first, open the game and go to the boards section and scroll through the available boards and select any board that appears locked. The game should show you how the particular board can be unlocked if it's currently obtainable. Some boards may be connected to characters, events, missions, special offers, or limited time content. So check the event section regularly for special challenges. And you should also complete missions and collect the rewards available through normal gameplay. And if a board is temporarily unavailable, it may return during a future event or update. And you need to make sure you're using the latest official version of Subway Surfers so you can access current content. So there isn't a universal secret code that legitimately unlocks every board. The safest method is to follow the unlock requirement shown inside the game. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.